Amigas, today on the Blackstone, we're going to make some delicious chicken volcanes. These chicken volcanes are perfect for a quick and easy dinner. Are you ready to make them, amigas? Let's make them. For these chicken volcanes, we want a salsa molcajete as well, so we're going to start making that. I'm placing my chile serrano and my tomato. We're going to let these sit on the griddle for about 5 to 6 minutes. I'm covering them up, that way they cook a little faster. While our veggies are on the griddle, we're going to season our chicken. I'm gonna season the chicken with Tequila Lime Seasoning from Blackstone, some paprika, garlic powder. Now I'm going to add a little bit of oil to get the seasonings nicely spread all over the chicken. Let's give our chicken a good mix. Now that our chicken is nicely seasoned, we can add it to the griddle. I'm going to cook my chicken on medium-low so that it has time to cook but also stays juicy. We're using a tortilla. This tortilla needs to get crispy because it needs to turn into a tostada. So we're going to set this tortilla on the griddle on low so we can get it nice and crispy. For our salsa molcajete, we're going to start off by adding garlic, salt, and a little bit of lemon, and we're gonna mash it all together. Our chiles and tomatoes are ready. We could take them off so we can start mashing them. Everything is nice and mashed. We could add our cilantro now. I'm gonna taste it, amigas, to see if it needs a little bit of salt. Oh, the flavor is there. We do need a little bit of salt. Now I'm going to set the griddle on low, stack up my chicken, and cover it up so it gets cooked on the inside. Our chicken is ready. It's super juicy. Now let's chop up our chicken.
Your what?
The chicken.
Oh, it's staring at me. I'm gonna give it a little bit of a post dust like CJ says.
While our tortilla is getting nice and crispy, we're going to pour a little bit of melting cheese on top so that it starts melting. Our tortilla is crispy, the cheese is melted, now we can add our chicken. Let's top it with our onion, cilantro, and of course our salsa molcajete. I love me that extra tang, so we're going to add a little bit of lemon. Amigas, our pollo volcanes are ready. Now we're going to give them a taste test, but I'm gonna call my Blackstone team so they can try it with me. Come on, team.
Whoa! Yeah. Look at this.
Are we allowed?
Yeah.
Come on in. What do we rate it?
10 out
10 out of 10.
Bueno.
They're so crunchy, you guys. Oh my god. Amigas, for this recipe and more, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the Blackstone Products YouTube page. Bye. Love you guys.